Ever wondered why your feline friend seems to have a PhD in defying gravity? Welcome to the world where fluff and physics intertwine in the most peculiar ways. Our cats, those lovable balls of fur, have a knack for keeping us on our toes with their antics. Whether it's their fascination with laser pointers or their uncanny ability to fit into the smallest boxes, these creatures are a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. Let's unravel the mystery of these furry enigmas together. First up, cats are the ultimate acrobats. A feline's agility is truly a spectacle to behold. They're nimble, they're quick, and they always seem to land on their feet. This isn't just a party trick, my friends. It's a survival skill honed over thousands of years. But how do they manage this? Well, let's dive into the world of feline physics. Cats have a unique skeletal structure that gives them a gymnast's flexibility. They can twist and turn midair, aligning their bodies for that perfect landing. It's like watching a miniature, fur-covered Olympic athlete in action. And let's not forget their tail, acting as a counterbalance to perform those impressive high-wire acts on your backyard fence. Moving on, have you ever noticed those tiny, sharp, retractable claws that your feline friend keeps hidden? These are not just for scratching your favorite couch. Oh no, they are the Swiss Army knives of the cat world. Whether it's climbing trees, catching prey, or kneading your lap into a perfect loaf-shaped spot, these claws are a cat's go-to tool. Now let's talk about the James Bond of the feline world, night vision. Cats can see clearly in nearly total darkness. This is thanks to a layer of cells in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina. It's like having built-in night goggles. No wonder they love those midnight zoomies. So, next time you see your cat scaling the bookshelf or pouncing on an unsuspecting toy mouse, remember this. They're not just being mischievous. They're showcasing a set of skills that have been honed over millennia. Their agility, their retractable claws, their night vision, these are all part of what makes them such fascinating creatures. That's right, your cat might just be a superhero in disguise. Next up, cats have a knack for drama. They're the divas of the animal kingdom, with their own set of quirks and eccentricities that leave us humans both baffled and entertained. Let's dive right in, shall we? One of the most baffling yet adorable things about cats is their love for boxes. Big or small, cardboard or plastic, if there's a box in the vicinity, you can bet your last catnip that your feline friend will try to squeeze into it. It's their own little fortress of solitude, a place where they can observe their kingdom from the safety of their cardboard castle. Next on the list is a peculiar fear that seems to be exclusive to our feline companions: cucumbers. Yes, you heard that right. For reasons unknown, the sight of a cucumber can send even the bravest of cats scrambling for cover. Some theories suggest it's because cucumbers resemble a snake, a natural predator, but the jury is still out on that one. Now, we all know cats love their beauty sleep, but have you ever noticed the strange positions they sleep in? Some prefer the classic curled-up ball, others go for the Superman stretch, and then there are those who seem to defy the laws of comfort by sleeping on the edge of a table or draped over the back of a chair. It's a cat thing, we suppose. Finally, one of the most endearing, albeit slightly gruesome traits of cats is their habit of bringing gifts to their owners. From mice to birds and everything in between, these presents are a sign of affection, a way for cats to share their hunting spoils with their human family. It's their way of saying, "I love you," in a rather unique and unmistakably cat-like fashion. And you thought soap operas were dramatic? Laughed at these feline follies? If you enjoy our content as much as we love creating it, why not become a part of the Lexopedia family? Hit that subscribe button to keep up with our crazy, funny cat adventures. And if you found yourself grinning at our furred friends' antics, give us a thumbs up. And hey, why keep all this joy to yourself? Share this video with others who could use a good laugh. Join the Lexopedia family and never miss out on your daily dose of fun, facts, and laughter.